A podcast problem for Micah Parsons? First of all, let me say this. I don't think so. I'm more concerned about the possibility of these missed workouts, allegedly, from what we heard. But I will tell you about the podcast thing. Guys, go back to the 80s, the 90s, 2000s. Coaches and players used to have shows during the season on the radio or on TV all the time. All the time, okay? Go back and look. Research the history. That's not the problem for Micah, okay? You know, people can say that because they want to bring it up, but it's not. Maybe some of the topics on there, maybe getting too friendly with other players or teams, possibly. But the podcast in itself is not a problem. Players have been doing this with the radio and TV for years. In the podcast form, it's new, but in the media world, it's not. I'm more concerned with these, missing workout reports that we're hearing. If Micah Parsons is going to step up and if he is worth the money for the Dallas Cowboys, then he needs to make sure as a leader, if this is indeed true, he does need to be there. He needs to set that example, especially for a franchise with a new coach looking, let's be honest, to change the culture. No matter how many times this team won 12 games, they didn't win a Super Bowl. They need a culture change. Hopefully, Micah Parsons can lead that. But again, the podcast issue, go look at the history. It's been going on for years. Players, coaches, media, they've always had shows.